How to use One for All gift card online on Currys. So, got a One for All gift card and want to spend it at Currys online? Here's how to use it step by step. So, start by checking your card balance on One for All website. Make sure the amount covers your full purchase, since Currys does not allow split payments online. Now, head over to currys.co.uk, add your items in the basket, and proceed to checkout. So at the checkout, choose credit or debit as your payment method. One for All works like a Visa debit card. So enter the 16-digit card number, expiry date, and CVV. Use your own name and billing address, not One for All. And then confirm payment. If your balance covers the full order, Currys will process it like any debit card purchase. So if the payment fails, check your balance again. Remember, Currys does not support split payments online. For larger purchases, use your One for All card and store where multiple cards are accepted. So bottom line, treat your One for All card like a Visa debit card at Currys checkout, and you'll be ready to shop online with ease.